The federal politics. I want to talk local politics because, gee, I'm pissed off with my local council at the moment because you've seen my place.
Yeah.
I've got all this junk out on the nature strip at the moment because I've been told I've got to wait 2 or 3 more months before there's another council clean-up.
Exactly. There's never enough council clean-ups a year, but there's not to worry because this weekend Chris and I here, or whatever his name is, we found a solution for getting rid of your junk. We've got to find a way to get rid of your junk without paying a cent. All you've got to do is dump it discreetly in an art gallery.
Yes, these galleries are full of weird junk already, so would anyone there really notice if you added your own junk and pretended it was art?
Did you not hear about the shipment? It's a new artist.
Leslie didn't tell me, but that's fine.
It's fine. Thanks for that. Thank you. Let us know if it sells.
What's this?
I have no idea.
Just hold it. This is what you do with rubbish.
Hey, that's art.
Unfortunately, it's not going to work out.
Really? It's very popular.
Yeah, it kind of clashes with the other things.
Oh, you
and
reckon?
well,
See, because somebody else has thrown out their fence there. I mean, I thought it was only fair to throw the mattress there.